So, another video. People ask me as well, we run one car, that's probably quite known to most people now, but yeah, we changed Shale to Tarmac, and people ask me what do you actually have to change between Shale and Tarmac on a V8 hot stock. So yeah, we're going to take 6s. Obviously you can see these, that's a Tarmac tyre. Obviously run different tyres, Shale and Tarmac. This is a Shale tyre which we got on the front just because it's on there from being unloaded, but yeah, you can see totally different. Shale tyres has a lot more tread, whereas a Tarmac tyre is generally a lot more slick, more for race purposes. So yeah, that's Tarmac, that's a Shale tyre. So that's one thing. We move the axle, back axle, usually run it for back axle, we usually run it further back for Shale, further forward for Tarmac, so it runs more sort of parallel. And then as you can see, the car's a bit tilted over, so we naturally aim to try and get as much inside weight as possible when you run on Tarmac. So obviously it's currently set for Tarmac, so more inside weight on Tarmac, so that means altering a cross weight and putting more cross in it to obviously make it turn left hand turns. And then obviously you take some cross out of it on Shale and run everything more symmetrical and even. So yeah, that's another big thing. So that means altering like your front springs, like in general your front spring positions generally moved on Shale to Tarmac. You lift it up and lower it down and move it wherever you want to do it from on the adjusters there and there. So yeah, that's another thing. Number 3, the brake line. So naturally on Tarmac you run more brake pressure on your outside front here and less on the insides, and then on Shale it's the other way around. You tend to want more brake on your inside front and less on your outside. So the way we do that, although we've got an adjuster in a car, we have to swap a brake line on this car. Not everybody does it like that, but we swap the brake lines, alternate them, so when we swap the lines around, crisscross them over, and then yeah, it alters the brake pressures on the front to give you a lot more pressure to whatever surface you're on. So that's another thing. Tend to run it a bit stiffer as well on Tarmac on a suspension, which we can make it stiffer on this thing here. So yeah, that's just three or four little things you do different Shale to Tarmac. It's not much, obviously different wings, more superficial, but Shale wing there, Tarmac wing there, and yeah, that's it really. And tend to run a bit more back brake as well on the inside on Shale, which and then on Tarmac you tend to take it off and run more front brake as well. So yeah, it's just simple things, but there's quite, although it's one car, there's quite a bit to it. Alterations from Shale to Tarmac, it's not just as simple as chuck some tyres on it and go racing. Not at least anymore anyway, not if you want to be competitive. Some drivers obviously do a lot more than we do and really finesse everything, but we've got our own way of doing things. We do take it serious, but not as serious as some drivers on Tarmac, whether that's right or wrong, but that's just the way we do things. We prefer our Shale. Anything we get on Tarmac's a bonus, but we are getting some progress now. So yeah, that's just for another little insight into what you have to do to alternate between surfaces. And yeah, and obviously tyre buffing on the outside back. So obviously on the outside you don't want a lot of tread on this for Tarmac, and then obviously on Shale you run a lot more tread again, so we tend to have to buff and scrub these down, and then run a wider as well. That's another thing. The axle, we tend to run wider wheels with some spacers to make the axle wider for Tarmac, and the same on the front. We run a narrow wheel on the outside front on Shale and a wider wheel for Tarmac to get everything just a lot wider. The wider you can get it, the better really. So yeah, just things really, just all little things add up to make a quick car, and we're still not quick really, but we're there or thereabouts. So yeah, just another brief enlightenment for you. So there you have it, my own take on a Tarmac to Shale swap over, running one car.